washing machine exit pipe. Alright, and that gets water everywhere. And that is that pipe. It goes through the outside wall here, and then comes in here. That pipe is the drainage for, I believe, one of the upstairs bathrooms. We have this one here, which is this here as well, is kitchen and a bathroom sink, and then larger waste, all draining out to right here with the access cap thing. Obviously, it's quite a juncture, and all this backs up whenever I drain. The washing machine gets water all over the place. You can see a little bit of some water stains even. Look at that. All right. So